We are keeping an eye on your money this morning, and as we've been reporting, health insurance costs across the board are rising, but that number is even scarier for those people who are self-employed or work for a small family business, for example, and they get their health insurance through the Affordable Care Act marketplace.
Yeah, CBS Miami's Morgan Reiner, she spoke to one South Florida couple who has put their lives on hold because of these steep prices.
Kylie and Sal opened up their email expecting to see their health insurance went up. They didn't expect it to go up by thousands. And now the question is it worth it?
Sal and Kylie Barrios live in paradise, Key Largo.
Birdie, come. Get here.
With their black lab, Liberty, working for their small family businesses.
So we don't have employer health care.
And paradise comes with a price tag. For several years as a married couple, they've paid for health insurance through the marketplace using the only option available to them in the Keys, Florida Blue. With tax credits they qualified for, it came out to $900 a month.
That was definitely a stretch on the budget, but otherwise the other plans, our doctors didn't accept it.
Then she checked her email.
I knew that our tax credit was going away, and I'd also been following in the news that Florida Blue was expecting a 20% increase in Florida, so I ran my own math.
But even doing her own math, she wasn't prepared.
But when I saw almost $2,500, shocked, because I didn't think it would be, real.
Now they're weighing their options, which doesn't feel like any options at all.
Okay, well, what do I do if I don't have health insurance? And it's time to start figuring that out.
And while they navigate the uncertainty, things like starting a family are on hold.
We'll negotiate and pay out of pocket and call for, good faith estimates, which they're supposed to give us.
A good faith estimate is a document that lists the expected cost of care for uninsured individuals in advance, so there are no surprises.
But then there's those other days where you think, oh, what if I have a seizure tomorrow? What if he has some kind of, heart condition that shows up out of nowhere?
Health insurance premiums across the country are rising as prices for health services go up. On top of that, about 30 million Americans like Kylie and Sal get their health insurance through the Affordable Care Act marketplaces. The expiring tax credits are at the center of the ongoing government shutdown.
Food's more expensive, rent's more expensive, utilities are more expensive, everything is more expensive, and there's just not enough dollars left at the end of the month. And if the difference is, pay your premium or pay your mortgage, people are gonna have to make that decision. And I think a lot of people are gonna choose to drop out of the system.
Kylie says it's not just Monroe County. Her mom, who lives in Palm Beach County, saw her health insurance rates triple. In Key Largo, Morgan Reiner, CBS News, Miami.